Yeah, so like we were doing in the previous video, we named this combo box cb underscore username. So we go to the source and then we actually go else if and then you type cb underscore and then you go dot text. Hey, sorry, so for combo box you don't have to do it text. You do it selected item. Sorry. Selected item is not equal to empty, like this. You understand? So it checks if you've actually selected something. Okay. So for the combo box, this is how you actually do it. So let me just copy and paste this, and we do it for the next one. So the next one is gender. So for that one, we have to rename. So let's just say cb underscore gender. So we do the cb underscore gender. Yeah. And then now we have the remaining. We have the email and then the phone number. Let's just do for all, and then since this is just a tutorial, you just copy this and then let's paste it here. I mean, it would be best if you type it out, but so now the next one is email. Let's rename this as txt email, and then let's also name this as txt underscore phone. Okay, so now since we copied and pasted this to, we just change this out to txt underscore email and then txt underscore phone. So you see the order in which I made this. The full name comes first, the username, the password, the same as how the design goes, so that the user understand in which. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but doing it in order makes it nicer. You understand? So that if for some reason the user skips and start entering their email first, they know that still they have to enter their full name, username, and then password before. You understand? Okay. So now, since phone is the last text box they need to fill, the next thing to do here is only an else. So what this else does is meaning everything has been validated, and then now we can input the user details in the database. Okay, so now in between this code we have to actually put a prompt. You understand? So in order to put a prompt, you have to do message box dot show, and then whatever message you need to output to the user, you type it there. So you do enter your full name. Okay, you do the same thing for all these columns. So let's just copy and paste them here. Okay, so you just have to change the text inside. I mean my enter. Yeah, but let's just say enter your username. Next one is enter your password. So for this part, it's a select, so we don't do enter. You just say select user type. and then the next one too is select gender. You have email, select your email address. And then enter your phone number. Okay, so this is great, but mostly I'd advise you space your work to make everything easier for you so that you can see what you're doing, you know, to make everything clear. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this makes everything clear. So let's just run this program and go to the user add form, and then let's check what you've done so far. Okay. Okay, so when we go to add new user, our form pops up, and for some reason if we select or click add user, it prompts us to enter your full name. I understand my N is supposed to be small letter, but you know. Okay, so yeah, so let's say we enter something like Mike, and then it goes to enter username, right? So you go to, like, let's say my username is Mike1. Now it goes to enter your password. So password, let's just say hello as my password. When you enter this, it says enter your email address. Okay, so for some reason it has skipped these two combo boxes, so I'll check it and then I'll get back to you. And then for some reason too, this password is showing. I'll also show you this in the next video. So in the next video we will fix the validation for the user type, and then the gender, and then we will fix, you know, the password. We will let the password not show, okay, so that if for some reason somebody is standing close to you, the person will not see the password. Okay, yeah. So I'd like to stop here and then see you guys in the next video. Thank you.